Namaste everyone. The question is, an even number of apples can be distributed into three groups in the ratio 1:2:4 by leaving out three apples. How many apples will be left out if the same number of apples is distributed among three groups in the ratio 3:5:6? So, after left out three apple, we need to divide it in the ratio 1:2:4. So this will be total number of apple, that will be an even number, correct? So if we sum it, so we'll get 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 means 7, and it will be the integer of 7. What will divide? That will be the integer of 7, or we can say multiple of 7, and this will be even number of apple. Okay, so this is an equation we got. Okay, so to get like total number of apple, we can substitute the smallest value of x. Let's x is equal to 1. So total number of apple will be 7 into 1 plus 3. So this will be equal to 10, an even number. So that is possible, right? If x is equal to 2, so total number of apple will be 7 into 2 plus 3. So it will be total 17. So it is an odd number, correct? If we substitute x is equal to 3, then total number of apple will be 7 into 3 plus 3. So 24. It's an even number, right? That means this is possible. N is equal to 10. Let's pick a smallest thing. So n is equal to 10 is possible. Okay, so now we want to distribute these 10 apples into new ratio, that is 3:5:6. Let's sum the ratio. So it is 3 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 14. This means to distribute apples perfectly without leaving any out of the number of apple distributed must be integer of 14. Like either we have 14 apple or 28 apple, correct? But we cannot distribute 10 apples into this ratio, because so all 10 apple will be left out. So 10 will be the correct option. Okay, if we choose let's suppose total number of apple are 24, correct? If we choose this, so when you distribute it, so after distributing 14 apple, you will get remaining apple, that is 10, right? So left out apple will be 10. So option 4 will be the correct option. I hope you understood it. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.